G'day YouTube, it's Maisie here. Bloody hot outside today. There's the temperature. Got Trevor running an extension cable for the aircon for the inverter. How hot is it, Trev?
Hot, bloody hot.
Lots of sweat in your eyes, mate.
So sweat in your eyes.
Yeah. So it's so hot outside. So I'm gonna plug my big air conditioner. See, it's normally plugged into the wall over there. I'm going to plug it in. I had the special power point. See, this one's got really big pins, and that I've got that cable that Trevor's hanging up going to the inverter. So basically it's a really big plug, and doesn't fit a normal outlet, so I just pull it out. See, it's a really big plug for this air conditioner. So I'm going to try it on the new inverter. As you saw, it's fucking hot, and yeah. So you got the cable coming out of the window, going across, and just make sure you use the right size cable, heavy enough. I'll show you some stripped in a minute. That's hot. See, I'm all hot and sweaty. Now, we're not having the mirrors today, the smoking mirrors. We're telling what's happening. Okay, this was a roll of cable that I bought on Gumtree that was supposed to be solar cable, and I ordered 2 rolls. One roll came as solar cable, and this is the roll that came as normal or heavy duty extension cable. So this is what we were using. I told the guy that wasn't worth me sending it all the way back to him, but basically you can read that. It's 2.5 millimeter, so it's fairly heavy duty cable. So this is the cable I'm using on the air conditioner, because it's 2.5. It should be able to handle 15 to 20 amps. So see if we can focus in on the label. See, it's 3 wires at 2.5 millimeter. So it's 240 volt for 250 volt 440 cable. Alright, and just to give you an idea that it's is 2.5 mil, there's a shot of the wire, and this is the cable I'm running for the big air conditioner. Alright, as I said, let's get that picture. So the cable comes through. Now I've got it running into the safety switch, so if anything goes wrong with the air conditioner, the missus doesn't get sapped. And got a thing, an extra plug for if I need to plug something else into it, and that goes through into the inverter. Make sure you use cable with really thick wires, because it's like, you know, we'll show you how much this air conditioner pulls. Alright, we'll turn the inverter on, wait for it to fire up. We'll go in and see if it'll run the aircon. So come in, light, put on some light. Alright, let's see if we can fire it up. Oh, we've got a blurry picture. Ooh, be able to get nice and cool now. Powered off of solar power. Solar powered air conditioning. Cool. Let's go and see how much it pulls. Still hot and brunny and sunny. Lots of sun. Got the frame bolted in place. Still working on it. So let's have a look. Okay, the air conditioner is pulling. Here's that trusty gauge. About 15 amps. What percentage is our inverter running at? 70%. And why am I focusing today? The old classics. Getting hot. doing their thing. Let's put our amp gauge around. So the air conditioner is pulling 166 amps from the DC. The inverter looks like it's handling it. I'll have to find my temperature gauge and see how hot things are getting. So it's pulling that much. Oh yeah, and while I'm showing you, I should show you the other inverter that's powering everything else in the house. Camera, it's too hot even for my camera. So we're using 57% of the first inverter. And batteries, 73%. Batteries are at 90%. I've got the amp gauge down here because we're moving stuff. Oh, looks like this inverter's pulling 144 amps. I might use more power than I'm producing. Yeah, one of the YouTubians said when I was welding I must have a lot of batteries, so here's battery bank number 2. It's 24 batteries in here. Really big cables running there. Hello Tookies. So I thought I'd come out and see what the temperature of the solar tracker might be. See if I can even get it in view. Not sure, it says 42 on there. Let's see what the back says. You know, tread on you. Come on Tookies, out the road. This side it's 53. Everyone see it? I'll lock it in 53. Alright. Alright, let's just do a bit of a temperature test here. The wall is 45 degrees. The inverter running the air conditioner is 55. The one running everything else in the house is 48, 49. We'll just go to one of the classics. We'll just pick any classic. Okay. That's at 50 degrees. Yeah, everything quite hot. I'm going to go inside and enjoy my solar powered air conditioning. Oh, and for the people that haven't seen my battery bank, this is battery bank number 1. Battery bank 1. Because I got said that when I was welding I needed a big battery bank. So this is battery bank 1. See you later YouTube. Here's another quick look. Okay, we've got the air conditioner on and it's got a bit cooler inside. Solar powered air conditioning. Everyone said to me last year it was not possible to run your air conditioner solely off solar panels. But there we go YouTube, it is possible. So YouTube, it's going to be hot for the next few days, and this is my forecast for my area. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, we're getting up to 45 degrees here in the Australian bush. Hang on, I'll see what the next few days look. Nothing under 40 for the next 5 days. So we're going to be definitely testing out that inverter with the air conditioner. Got to keep the missus nice and cool on a hot day, don't we? Yeah. Alright YouTube, we're under the little air conditioner. We're using out of the bottom inverter We're using 2600 watts and the battery voltage is 25.2 and it's about 20 to 8 at night. Alright, thanks a lot. I'm quite happy with my solar power air conditioning. It's going to be very hot for the next few days. Bye bye YouTube.